Are you considering doing a cruise this coming year? Unsure of which cruise line or what class of ship will best suit your needs? Or maybe you're new to this and you just want to enhance and get the best out of your cruise vacation. We're Mart and Shaz from Why Not and Cruise. We've definitely got the cruise bug and we love exploring different types and classes of ships. So why not come along with us on our travel journeys? Follow along with us and discover what each ship has to offer and what makes each one stand out from the rest. And we'll share with you all our tips and advice to enhance your experience, along with what's the best itinerary or atmosphere for your needs. Also, we'll share with you how to save money on them excursions, because cruise lines really know how to nickel and dime you. So whether it's sailing out of Southampton, going across the Med, Greece, or over the pond to the Bahamas, we've got it covered. Come along and join us.